If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Rocket League account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure your account is properly linked and synced across platforms. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have the correct accounts for the platforms you are using. Verify that your Epic Games account is linked to your console or PC account where you play Rocket League. Step 2. Link your accounts. Go to the Epic Games website and log into your account. Navigate to the Connections section and link your gaming accounts PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, etc. to your Epic Games account. Step 3. Restart the game. After linking your accounts, close Rocket League completely and restart it. This allows the game to refresh and recognize the new account connections. Step 4. Check for updates. Ensure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version on your platform. Sometimes, syncing issues can arise from outdated game versions. Check for updates in your console or game launcher. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Rocket League support. Provide them with details about your issue, and they can assist you further in resolving the sync problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in Rocket League. Enjoy your gaming.